This is Kim with Geauga Firearms Academy. Today we have a super fun video. Happy Thanksgiving weekend to everyone out there watching. We had a power outage and one of our turkeys didn't make it. So I had a fun idea that I would save it and we would shoot it this weekend. So let's check it out. We're gonna start off shooting it with 9mm. We're gonna start off with hollow points, then move to ball ammo, and then we're gonna move to the AR and see what happens.
All right, it's a little deceiving today. It looks like it's nice and warm out here, but it is definitely not. It's in the low 30s. We're gonna set up our little buddy here. He's completely intact as he was out of the package. We didn't take the innards out or anything. He's just a very stinky turkey. So we're gonna set this up the best we can to be as scientific as possible. And we'll start off with the pistol. I'm wearing gloves because I gotta shoot my guns and I don't wanna get this stanky turkey juice all over my guns. Little random bag of old rounds that we have. These should be Hornady Critical Defense, I believe. These are old duty rounds. Yeah, you can see it's got the little orange or red tip on there. We're going to be shooting it with our new Echelon today. Here goes the neighborhood. All right, so there's the entry wound. Got him a little low here. Very clean wound though. I mean, straight in there. I can go all the way through. Let's see what we got in the back. Looks like here's your exit. Oh, there, look at that. Perfect. Look at that bad boy. So it looks like it came up kind of as it fell. Look at this. This is kind of cool actually. So there's the actual round. You can see that it definitely did what it's supposed to do. Expanded. And even there's the rubber tip. So actually, pretty incredible. We'll set that down. That did quite a good job. You can see it even caught back here. It's actually, that's probably why we got caught. Here's the bone. If you can move, kind of zoom in closer, you can see. Here's the bone on the skin where it actually shattered the wing. So it was kind of sitting like that. So it went through. Had that bone not been there, it probably wouldn't have been able to capture it. But it went clear through, hit the bone. So it did exactly what, wow, look at that. What you would expect. Well, that performed amazing. I thought that did actually really good. I realized it's chicken and softer bone material. Turkey, whatever. It's a bird. So now we're just using regular ball ammo. I don't know what this is, PMC or something, just general target ammo. All right, my prediction this one, I'm gonna shoot a little higher, get more in the meat area. I still think it's gonna go through because it's ball ammo, but let's find out. All right, boys and girls, here's our turkey chilling here. Pretty well-placed shot on that one. You can see actually the difference between the hollow point down here, even the entry, and up here, but it could be where it was shot. So I don't think anything happened to this guy as far as it going through. So, oh, I'm wrong. There we go. There clearly is an exit, even though it went through the heavier part. Wow. That is fascinating. Even though it went through the heavier part of the turkey, for sure. I keep saying chicken, but turkey, clear pass through. I mean, right through the spine and everything. And you can actually feel the sharp bone back there. So, as I thought, the hollow point did not go through. It did its job even in a lesser part, let's say. But in the heavy meat, man, this does not smell good. I can tell you that right now. I'm glad you don't have smell-o-vision. Even in the center, it went all the way clear through. Somewhere into this tire. You guys won't be able to see it. I can feel it on the outside in here, but right there is actually the actual projectile. The bullet's in here, but it's in here so tight I can't get it out. But it definitely is in that tire. So now we are going to shoot good old ball ammo, 55 grain. We'll put one round in it. See how we do. See what the results are. I fully expect to see much more damage with this. The smell alone is pretty tremendous, probably because of the internal damage from that round. But if we take a look here before I even flip it around, that little guy right there, that you can see actually the difference between the larger 9mm and the 22 diameter 22. So well placed shot there. And let's look at it together. We'll flip this stinky turkey over. Whew. Wow. Yeah, look at that. I mean, I'll try to turn it so the camera can see. That is pretty darn significant. I mean, there, as an example, there's 3 fingers worth of tissue damage there. Again, right in the spine. Pretty much the hardiest part of a turkey that there is. So this is the inside. This is the 9mm, and that is the .223 round. This is completely clear through. It definitely went through here. I have no idea where it went, but it definitely went through the whole turkey and that inner rim, or inner tire. So ultimately, the review here is this is the, kind of looked like this at the time. That was actually this beautifully kept, oh, look at that, ripping right open for you. Even the red little rubber part of that Hornady stayed together intact, did not penetrate, the only one that clearly did not. And then the 9mm went through into the tire, and the .223 55 grain blew, I mean, the smithereens right on through in first. It also went through the first piece of the tire. Again, much heavier spots of the actual turkey itself too.
This was a fun video, but also an important reminder about using hollow points in your home defense and also in your concealed carry weapons. You can see what a big difference they make. We've gotten a big influx of new shooters, and so it's an important lesson for them to make sure that you're using those hollow points. And also the lethality difference between a rifle and a pistol. Make sure you guys are changing out those hollow points once a year. We did a video about that recently, and people were arguing about it. Make sure you change them every year. And also too, when you are gonna choose which hollow points you're gonna use, make sure you get at least 1 extra box and shoot it through. If you get 1 malfunction, try a different brand, because guns can be more finicky with those. Just a little tip for new people. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, a thumbs up, a share, a comment. We always love to hear from you guys. You can follow us here on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. We're on Rumble, and we put all of our premium content on Patreon. Until next time, remember, it's always better to be judged by 12 than carried by 6.